Hello everyone, we from Group 4 will read the result of our discussion entitled Digital Marketing. I will read the name of our group. Number 1, Tika Ayu Putri, Irianti. Number 2, Esther Fania Carola Mumu. Number 3, Elizabeth Rumbrower. Number 4, Alius Giban. First readers are welcome.
Article 1, Digital Marketing Strategy for MSMEs, Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprises to compete in the pandemic era. Abstract. The COVID-19 pandemic has had a major impact on the development of micro, small, and medium enterprises, MSMEs. MSMEs must find the right strategy to survive. One of the strategies during the pandemic is digital marketing, which allow MSME actors to market their product without being constrained by police during the pandemic. Research on digital marketing strategies for MSMEs to compete in this pandemic era use qualitative methods with an analytical descriptive approach. Descriptive research is collecting data based on the factors that support the object of research. Qualitative research deals with ideas, perception, opinions, beliefs of the people to be studied, and all of them cannot be measured by numbers. The purpose of the study was to find out how the techniques, elements, process, and activities of MSME actors in using digital marketing to compete during the pandemic. Background: the people of Indonesia received a surprise at the beginning of the first quarter of 2020, precisely on March 3, 2020, namely the occurrence of the COVID-19 pandemic. This pandemic has changed the line of life in various sectors, including the economy sector. Regarding the COVID-19 pandemic, the government made a PPKM policy implementation of community activity restriction. One of the people who feel the impact of the policy the most is the micro, small, and medium enterprises UMKM actors. The stagnation of economic growth has made it difficult for MSMEs to find buyers. Of course, there must be the right strategy in the midst of this situation, one of which is digital marketing, which allow MSME actors to market their product without being constrained by police during the pandemic. Why do you need digital marketing? Digital marketing is a promotional activity and market search through digital media online by utilizing various means such as social networks. Digital marketing is able to reach all people wherever they are without being hindered by geographical or time restriction. Even during the COVID-19 pandemic, people's needs can be met without worrying about having to interact with other people directly. The odds of digital marketing profits now hope for MSMEs to survive in the midst of a pandemic. Data recorded from We Are Social, a digital marketing agency in America, states that the top 5 social media, the most widely used in Indonesia as of January 2021 are YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. This is a graph. YouTube, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter.
Research methods. The study uses a qualitative method with a descriptive analysis approach, namely a qualitative approach to understand and describe the meaning of the analytical regulation contained in the digital marketing strategy for MSMES research. Use this methodology to emphasize an event or the most important thing from a phenomenon in the form of the event or phenomenon being studied. In general, research found primary and secondary data sources to support research implementation. Primary sources were obtained through interviews with several MSME actors, while the secondary sources were obtained from journals, books, and literature studies related to digital marketing for MSMES. Result in discussion. Number 1, Part A. The presence of the impact of the pandemic on the MSMES have an important role in maintaining the nation's economy. Not only that, MSMES also absorb 96.9% of the total employment and contribute 60.34% of Indonesia's gross domestic product, according to Putri Tanjung. 48% of MSMES can only survive a maximum of 3 months during the pandemic era. They also cannot continue their business due to capital difficulties and declining sales. Part B. Data on the use of digital marketing by MSME actors based on the result of research on the effect of digital marketing strategy on consumer buying interest. Based on the case study on the only shop Azam store, it is now that digital marketing strategy and consumer buying score of 3,367 for only marketing strategy and 34,333,000 for consumer buying interest. Discussion. COVID-19 provides a lot of homework for MSME actors, not just looking for profit, but how to survive in the midst of the onslaught of the recession. With the research conducted states that digital marketing has a positive influence and significant result in increasing the sales performance of MSMES. This is because of the ability of digital marketing to reach more consumers. Here and some digital marketing strategy that MSMES can use in using social media. Number 1, interesting and interactive content. Number 2, learn content marketing development. Number 3, develop mobile marketing. Number 4, digital marketing integration. Number 5, sustainable marketing. Number 6, personalized marketing effectiveness. Article 2. MSME Product Marketing Strategy through the application of digital marketing, in parentheses, case study on Kremes Ubi Business Group in Cibunar Village, Rancakalong, District Sumedang.
Abstract. The scientific paper of product marketing strategy of micro, small and medium enterprise (MSME) through the application of digital marketing aims to recover the impact of digital marketing on the sales of MSME product by comparing MSME that use digital marketing as a means of promotion and product sales with MSME that haven't used the digital marketing and to discover how to implement of digital marketing effort to MSME in Cibunar Village, Rancakalong. In writing this scientific paper, the research method used is descriptive qualitative research. The research subject in this research are informants who provide research data through interviews and through progressive sampling technique. Based on the result of qualitative research wide interview and observation technique, as well as the data that has been collected by the author, I can be collected that digital marketing has a huge influence on product marketing because it can increase the sales volume and also increase the profit for MSME entrepreneurs. Background: micro, small, and medium enterprise (MSMEs) is one of the activities that increase growth of movement and economic development. This group occupies a fairly dominant position due to its large number. Empowerment of MSMEs is a strategic step to increase productive and promote and develop the sector itself. Digital marketing is a form of marketing strategy that is carried out to buying and selling transactions have used digital marketing a lot because it is considered for both the consumer and the seller alone. One of the interesting things to discuss is the why it's tight and less direct. meeting research methods. The research method used is descriptive qualitative research, namely research conducted to provide a more detailed description of a symptom or phenomenon. What they aim of now how the development of MSME creams ubi in Cibunar Village Kalok sub-districts. Semedang district with Jeff. These research subjects in this study were informants we provide research data through sampling technique.
Results and testation how does digital marketing obtained MSMEs in general. From the feature above, it is aware that the potential for solving your digital marketing model has developed in Indonesia. Digital marketing is every incubator and the development of MS are dash down, but this scope of its will we reviews is feel free what what else what is it evident from the result of research that we have the process as it process production house with has usan digital marketing framework and marketing in that process that small part interferes rapidly comment com, at commentar. Therefore, using digital marketing as a promotion and marketing medium. What are efforts now implement digital marketing from digital claim as SMEs in Simbun North within count plus while having to doing their their fellow as current and they fill out fitter weather bisa that was of vision digital marketing art also help them they compare net with organic dan free or gray.
Comparison between Article 1 and Article 2. Title, Article 1, Digital Marketing Strategy for MSMEs, Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprises to Compete in the Pandemic Era. Article 2, MSME Product Marketing Strategy through the Application of Digital Marketing. Reader, Article 1, Demas Fauzi Hadi and Kiki Zakiah. Article 2, Dian Azmi Fadila and Tami Pratiwi. Month and year, Article 1, July 2021, Article 2, March 2021. Research methods, Article 1, Qualitative Method with Descriptive Analysis Approach. Article 2, Qualitative Descriptive Methods. Focus on Article 1, focus on micro, small, and medium enterprises in general in Indonesia. Article 2, focus on the Kremes Ubi Business Group in Cibunar Village, Rancakalong, District Sumedang.
Conclusion. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused many new problems in various fields and has affected the economy, thereby reducing income. Micro, small, and medium enterprise are on if the parties who have experienced the impact if a decline in income. The strategy in digital marketing is one of the right solutions in managing business operation. Digital marketing has a very large influence on product marketing because it can increase sales volume and increase profit for MSME actors that do not conflict with policy in the pandemic era.
Number 1, can stretch, dibatasi. Number 2, approach, mendekati. Number 3, belief, keyakinan. Number 4, occurrence, kejadian. Number 5, utilizing, memanfaatkan. Number 6, implement, pemberdayaan. Number 7, restriction, pembatasan. Number 8, emphasize, menekankan. Number 9, surrounding, sekitarnya. Number 10, absorb, menyerap. Number 11, employment, pekerjaan. Number 12, defective, kesulitan. Number 13, declining, menolak. Number 14, average, rata-rata. Number 15, provides, menyediakan. Number 16, quickly, dengan cepat. Number 17, collected, Dikumpulkan. Number 18, increase, meningkat. Number 19, movement, pergerakan. Number 20, fairly, cukup. That's the result of the discussion. If there's a wrong word, we apologize so much and thank you.